Hi everyone, Ben here. We're going to do the precious metals market update for June 11, 2025. Silver cooled off a little bit today, while gold and the miners made a little bit uh, of a gain. And so looking at the gold 15-minute chart here first, you can see we had this drop and we formed this divergence with the price and the MACD, which led to this rally. But the rally is forming a bear flag. So I think if this breaks to the downside, the first retest level is this 3273 area here to the downside. We did work our way sort of above this horizontal line here, so it is showing a little bit of strength, but we are kind of forming this bear flag, which is making me believe we're going to break to the downside and retest this horizontal level. Looking at silver, this is the 15-minute chart, and it looks like silver is sort of retesting this horizontal support, which is that first surge, the top of the first surge we had when we broke out above $35. So, and we've been bouncing several times off of that line, and it looks like it wants to break through to the downside here. So if we do break to the downside, it looks like the first support level is this minor low here at around 35.28, and then it's the top of this of this move here. That's the second horizontal support of around 34.80. And looking at the 15-minute gold miners chart, we formed this divergence here yesterday, and then we had a rally back up. And the post market, it is trading a little bit higher here, 52.28, it looks like. And so we could retest this horizontal line, which is that bottom pivot point of that double top that we formed, that we retested here as well, and then got that reaction lower to form the divergence. So we could retest that area before we head lower again. Could be a possible uh, head and shoulders pattern here that's going to form in the future. Hasn't formed yet, but it could form in the future. Ultimately, though, I think we do have a good chance of coming down and retesting these two highs here are filling up this gap. So those two highs for the downside are $50.76 that we could come down and retest. Maybe not. We could just form that head and shoulders pattern before breaking up. So again, shorter term, the markets are looking a little bit bearish here still. We could head a little bit lower, but I think this correction is coming to an end in the precious metals market. All right, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Please do your research, and we'll see you in the next one.